Initial.
Para saan po yun, Mr. Chair?
Anniversary nga, ma'am.
Anniversary po.
Anong anniversary?
Oo.
130 million pang anibersaryo?
Saan nyo kukunin?
Income estimated at 20 billion, Mr. Chair. And the difference of 48 ay kukunin natin siya doon sa surplus. Sa surplus na siya. 48 billion yan.
Sandali
So may,
po.
may pagkukunan kayo.
Opo, may
Okay.
Can you
pagkukunan
assure
po.
the public na makukuha to?
Yes po, Mr. Chair, Honorable
Yung,
Ricardo.
yung 30th anniversary, saan kukunin? Hindi nyo pa sinasagot.
30th anniversary
Yung
po,
gastos nila sa 30th anniversary.
kasama po siya dapat sa COB 2025. But
Saan nga kukunin doon sa pondo na yon?
Oo. Anniversary. The board approved the 323 for the stamp.
Saan nga kukunin doon?
323,000.
Doon kukunin sa inyong working budget itong
Okay.
gastos sa anniversary. Doon kukunin.
Mr. Chair, as discussed kagabi sa House, the 323,000 galing sa 2024 extended validity. Yun muna yung inapprove po ng management and ng board.
Magkano yung expected, bigyan ko kayo ng chance naman to explain. Magkano yung expected or projected niyo ng gastos sa anniversary ninyo?
Oo.
Magkano?
Mr. Chair, the initial proposal ay 138 billion proposal.
Initial.
Para saan po yun, Mr. Chair?
Anniversary nga, ma'am.
Anniversary po.
Anong anniversary?
Oo.
130 million pang anibersaryo?
Saan nyo kukunin ito?
Anong gagawin nyo? Una, saan kukunin at anong gagawin nyo sa 130 million pang anibersaryo nyo?
Mr. Chair,
Anibersaryo pang bigay ng additional package.
Hindi anniversary celebration, ma'am. Ang tanong ko lang kung saan nyo kukunin ito. Sa part ba ng working budget ninyo kukunin yung 138?
Mr. Chair, ito po ay again proposal pa lang
Proposal, kaya nga, kung matutuloy
na-approve siya
ito, saan
ng board,
kukunin?
Ay kukunin siya sa corporate operating budget
Sa
sa
part pa rin ng working budget
MOA.
ninyo.
Yes
Oh,
po.
ilang pasyente ang matutulungan yan? Yan, ang pinapakompute ko sa inyo.
Baka naman pag, let's give them the benefit of a doubt, Mr. Chair, anniversary budget, 30 years na sila, 137 million, 138
Opo.
million.
Sabihin mo, sir.
Siguro naman, hindi naman yung Christmas party or celebration. Siguro naman, hindi biyahe. Siguro naman, hindi pagkain ng mga officers. Siguro, ito ay pagpalaganap ng mga package. Di ba po? Ano ba yung 138 million?
Ma'am, Mr. Chair.
Oh, ano ba?
Mr. Chair, sorry.
Pakisagot lang, no?
Yes.
Yung 138 million, saan gagamitin at saan ang gagaling? Tapos balik sa tanong ko na yung 600 billion at 431 billion, hindi pa rin maliwanag kung pareho ba to o iba po.
Mr. Chair, we'll just explain very quickly, just for the purposes of to expedite the discussion. What was approved by the board and what was decided in PhilHealth already is the budget for the 30th anniversary was brought down to a few 100,000 pesos only. So maybe we can just, to clarify everything, there's nothing, there's no hundreds of millions, there's no millions. So just so that we can continue with the discussion, please.
Yun ang tinanong ko kanina at sabi mo, you will explain it later.
Yes.
So nauna nyo pong sinagot yung mga tanong ni Senator Ligarda kaysa sa mga tanong ko na hindi pa rin nasasagot until now. Pakisagot muna.
So just to answer nga very quickly, Mr. Chair, we are only planning to spend a few 100,000 pesos for 30th anniversary. Yan lang po, wala pong mga excessive spending
So ibig
po.
sabihin,
Just to simplify the discussion.
Projected pa lang ito.
Actually, may mga proposal.
Proposal.
But we've
Hindi pa natutuloy.
So good.
Hindi
Thank you for asking that.
Hindi pa natutuloy.
You're spending a few hundreds of thousands, but we see on the board, it is not consistent with what the CEO is saying. It's 137.7 million. What is this? An invention? A proposal of some brilliant person? Buti na lang, merong nagkontra at may board. Ano ba ito? Gala night. Gala night? And Sports Fest, 32 million and 13 million. Habang ang dami-daming nangangailangan ng healthcare. Anyway, erase na ito. Who's a smart person who
Yeah.
gave this?
Mr. Chair, this was endorsed by a group inside PhilHealth.
Sino yung grupo? You have to name the group because you have to enlighten that group. Kung hindi po dinis-approve ng board ito at hindi kami nanunood sa inyo, walang oversight function ang Senado, ang Congress, you could have because you're a GOCC. We don't watch you every day.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, Madam.
Sino po ang brilliant na nagbigay nito?
We have an anniversary committee.
Sino po ang head ng anniversary committee?
The anniversary committee po is headed by by Mr. Ray Balenya po.
Yes. Can that person, please, not now, don't waste our time, give a memo to the chair of the Finance Committee of the Health Committee on why the person and the group thought of using 137 million of PhilHealth funds for giveaways and a gala night.
We will submit, Your Honor. We will submit it within the day to Congress. No?
A sports meet
2 years to the
for
Senate.
32 million in a gala night with PROs, I hope it's at GROs, at 13 million. And a gala night with HOs for another 4 million, blah, blah, blah. And, okay. We don't, and umbrellas for 7.9 million? What's this? Special tokens and umbrellas.
Senator Lauren,
Ma'am, to
may lang
divide
po, no?
discussion, all of those.
Kaya nga, projected o plano niyo lang po, kaya tanong ko lang naman po sa inyo kanina pa, kung sakaling natuloy po ito, ilang pasyente po ang makikinabang dito? Ilang pasyente po ang naghihingalo na matutulungan dito? Ilang buhay pa po ang masasalbar dito?
Yes po.
Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, dito sa ating panggobyerno, parati isipin natin, konsensya.
Back to the 600
Thank
million. Yung mahiwagang 600, kasama ba ho ang 431? Iba pa po. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, that 628.2 billion is the total assets. Kasama po dito ay ang ating investment portfolio po of 489 billion po. And ito po ay composed of the following. Nasa special savings deposit po, Land Bank and DBP, a total of 104 billion. And a big portion of our investment portfolio, 76.70% ay 375.4 billion pesos government securities. And we have the corporate bonds of 10.1 billion pesos, that is 2.07% of the total 489.5 billion po. So dito po nakapasok ang ating investment, and ito po ay available natin na investment siya and convertible into cash. Pangangailangan mo ng korporasyon na magbayad ng benefit payment po natin, ito po yung ating gagamitin po,
Okay.
which is back up doon sa ating reserve.
628 billion. Cash, ito yung 49.9, almost 50 billion. Ito po yung nakadeposit sa government institutions, right?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. Investment in time deposit, pareho pa rin sa cash and cash equivalents and investment in time deposits,
Opo.
49.9 and 71.5. Tama po?
Opo.
Ano yung cash equivalents? Ano yung 49 kung hindi po time deposit?
Opo.
What are this?
Cash in cash equivalent po, kasama po yung cash in bank, and then the special savings deposit.
Wag tanggalin nga, binabasa ko po eh. I don't wanna see our faces there. Pakilagay po ulit. Sino nagtanggal? Bakit pa tinatanggal? Pag binabasa ko, tinatanggal. Pakibalik. Please naman po. Iniisa-isa ko, tapos tatanggalin.
Ibaba mo na yung bag mo.
Okay po. So, the cash on hand, not in time deposit, is 49.9 and time deposit is 71. Receivables is 112. Receivables from whom?